Welcome to my channel for the love of decor and more. My name is Robin, and on this channel you will find lots of decorating and DIY ideas. On today's video, I'm so excited to show you guys some items that I picked up over at HomeGoods, and you know that this time of year the sales are crazy. So I had to get in the store really quick so that I could get some good deals before everyone just flooded the stores to get the same deals that I'm looking for. So I'm so excited to show you guys what I found at my local HomeGoods. Don't we just love it when we get gift cards for the holiday season? I don't know about you, but I'm ready to spend those bad boys as soon as I receive them. So I had some time to myself to go out and shop. My husband was home with our little 4-year-old, so I was in a zone just enjoying myself shopping. So again, I'm going to show you some of the things that I picked up. Please do hit that notifications bell if you have a second there for me. So without further ado, I am going to jump into the haul. So the first two items that I'm going to show you are some really cute decorative plates. And these were not on clearance, but I had to pick these up because the color is so pretty in these, that earthy blues and grays and taupe colors. So I am going to buy some of those easels, you know, to prop these up wherever I decide to put them. I do have an idea to put them in my bedroom on the dresser first. But I just fell in love with these. I bought the smaller one and it was $19.99, and then I bought a bigger one and it was $24.99. And again, these colors I thought were just, you know, really nice for this season. Just really beautiful colors. So these two items, again, they were not on sale, but they were some really good finds over at HomeGoods. So the next items, I am actually going to be putting these up. So the next decorating video for my master bedroom that I'll be doing, I will have a few of these pieces for that look. And two of the items are these drapes that I picked up, and they are 96 inches. I thought they were really pretty. I like the green stems that are on here. Anytime I see this color green, I usually just fall for that look. So I did get 2 sets of these. And it comes with 2 panels in each pack, which is a really good deal. And they were regular $29.99, and they were on sale for $24.99. So I thought they were really pretty, and they are super, like a really good material. It's a thicker material. And it also has a little bit of metallic on these stems or leaves here where you see the silver. So it's like a touch of a little shimmer metallic look, which is really pretty. Even though it's silver on these, I still would mix my metals in the bedroom, like with my vases and things like that, with a little bit of gold. So I'm not sure if I'll mix them when I decorate my master bedroom in my next video, but we'll see. I kind of go for or choose my colors and my decor as I'm decorating the space, just to see what works well. So we will see. But I really love these. And here is the other set. It's missing the description paper on the front, but it's the same exact drapes. And the next thing I picked up, I love linen sprays, and I actually saw this one as I was getting ready to check out. You know how they have everything lined up in the aisle, checkout aisle, when you're waiting to pay for your things, right? As if you didn't already pick up too much stuff when you're going through the store. They want you to pick up more, and I always do. Every time I go to a store and I'm in line, I end up adding one more thing to my basket. And this was another thing that I added to my basket, and it's a Woodsy Amber Citrus scent, and it says Tranquility, and it's a luxury room spray, and it just smells really, really woodsy and earthy and just really just clean. So I really like that. So I always try to pick up a new scent of linen spray when I'm out. So I got that. And the next thing I got is this really pretty crystal water pitcher. And I actually found this on the clearance aisle, and it's really, really pretty. And I was needing one at my Christmas Eve dinner that I hosted, and I did not have a water pitcher, but now I do. So I'll have it for next year. And it was only $8. It was regular $9.99. So, you know, I didn't save much, but it's really pretty, and it's something that I can use all the time. The next thing that I got, I had been looking at this jar, you know, a few times I saw it over at Home Goods, you know, in November, maybe end of October too. And it was pretty expensive. It was $35, and I didn't want to spend $35 on this. I thought it was so pretty though. I did want to have these blue canisters that match this, but they didn't have them when I just went the other day. But I did want to wait for those to go on clearance, and I missed them. So somebody got them before I could, but I was sure to pick this up. And it's like shaped like an ornament, and you know, you can put cookies in here or different things. You can even make a flower arrangement inside of it. So I thought it was so cute. So I'm sure that I will use this blue color for my Christmas decorations next year, because that is one of my go-to colors, that blue or sage, kind of neutral soft tones for Christmas. So the next thing I got off of the clearance rack is this really cute Mr. Reindeer bowl and coffee mug, and I was looking for Mrs. Reindeer so me and my husband could have the set, but of course I did not see that one. But I'm gonna peek in Home Goods tomorrow and see if I can find one. It was only $3 on clearance and regular $5.99, and I think this is just so cute. So it is a Mr. Reindeer bowl and coffee mug. The next thing I got is this Santa plate for cookies and the cup for the milk for my 4-year-old, and it has a little note you can leave for Santa, which I thought was so cute. It's a little notepad. So next year we will be pulling this out so that my daughter can leave a note for Santa, as well as some cookies and milk. We usually do that, but we didn't have a designated plate and mug for our milk and cookies, but now we do. So this was so cute, and it was $6 on clearance. So the next thing that I picked up, and this was not on clearance, but I thought the color was so pretty. It's like a gray ombre color stems, and it's 1, 2, 3 stems, and it was $20. I could not find one more. I definitely will need 1 or 2 more of these, so I'm gonna have to peek in Home Goods on a fluke and see if I can come across 1 or 2 more of these. But the color is so pretty. Like I said, it's like an ombre gray. I hope you can see that. So really, really pretty. And of course you can use the color gray with so many different looks. So one of my favorite things now. So my next 2 items are these really pretty pillows, and I can't tell the size of these, but I think they are a 22 by 22, and they are down-filled, really pretty navy blue pillow. and I bought 2 of these and they were $20. I really like these and I was surprised to find them for $20. You know, the pillows at HomeGoods are usually $29.99, $34.99 and so forth. So these were a really good deal. And again, I bought 2 of these. Here is the other one. Speaking of pillows, you can never have enough of them, right? So I did pick up these really pretty green pillows, and it almost has like a, I wouldn't say seashell, but you see that design detail on there. So I really like that, and they're so soft, and they are down-filled, and it's by the Tahari brand, and they are down-filled. So I bought 2 of these, and these were $19.99 too. So I love to find pillows at HomeGoods when they are $20 because, again, that doesn't happen too often. So I feel like I got a deal. Here's the other one. And then I looked up on the clearance rack and found these pretty, hold on one second. These really pretty Christmas pillows. And I did a Christmas haul a while back, and I had the lumbar shaped pillow with the same detail on it. So I have that pillow, and now I found these, looks to be like a 22 by 22 decorative pillow, and it is down-filled, which we love, and it was on sale for $12 each, and it was regular $24.99. So these are so pretty. Check out that detail. Got 2 of those, and I was happy that I was able to find 2. Of course, if I could have found 2 more, would have been great, but I hate when I only find 1 of something, and it's like a pillow or a lamp. Like, you need 2, you know. So I really looked up on those. The next items I got are these really pretty candles. These are silver tip spruce sparkling apple iced evergreen scented tapers. So these taper candles have a really soft and subtle scent to them. The colors are so pretty, really soft colors. It reminds me of sherbet ice cream. So some really pretty colors that I'll probably use in the spring. So these are really pretty, and I don't usually light my taper candles, but depending on the occasion, I might, and then I'll be able to get this really good aroma from these because these are scented. These are unscented taper candles, and they are metallic. So those are really pretty. Have the silver metallic, this bronze color metallic, and the gold. So I can't wait to use these. And I'm sorry, the price of these, regular $14.99, and I got them for $7 on the clearance rack. And then these were $5 regular, $9.99. So good deal on those. And my last 2 items are these really, flip them over, really pretty lamps. You know, I wish that these lamps were taller. You know, they're the shorter lamps, but they are so cute. So it has the black shade and the mercury color, like a tint of gold base, body of the lamp. So these were really pretty, and they were only $25. So if they were more than $25, I probably wouldn't have picked them up because I like my lamps to be taller. But because they were $25 and they have a unique look, you know, they're just not a plain silver or gold lamp, And I like that it has a black shade too. So I went ahead and picked them up. And so I might be using these in my look in my master bedroom when I redo my bedroom again for my next video. So I might put these in there. And as I mentioned, I got 2 of them. So $25 each. And I thought those were a really good deal. So that is all for my haul, my after Christmas haul. I am just really happy about the deals that I did get. Like I said, I'm gonna peek in over at Home Goods again tomorrow. I'm gonna be off from work all next week, so you know the sales are gonna continue through the beginning of the new year. Speaking of new year, I wish you all very prosperous and happy 2023. Be safe out there this new year.
And with that, the 2022 season comes to an end. Good night.
And don't forget to subscribe and like this video and hit the notifications bell if you haven't already. Thank you. Until next time. Bye.